Welcome to GitHub trending repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 6, TradingView-mcp, 114 new stars today. TradingView-mcp Bridge connects Claude Code to your local TradingView desktop app via Chrome DevTools protocol, letting you automate chart analysis, PineScript development, and workflow tasks through natural language. It replaces manual point-and-click interactions with an LLM agent that can read indicator values, inject scripts, and navigate charts, saving hours of repetitive work for traders and quant developers. The project is technically notable for its use of CDP to control an Electron app without official APIs, and for its exploration of how LLM agents handle ambiguous financial UI state and real-time data constraints, making it a compelling case study for anyone building desktop automation with AI. Number 5, AstrBot, 416 new stars today. By giving you a unified framework that handles all IAM integrations, so you write one set of agent logic instead of N. It's technically interesting because it's built as a modular plugin system around LLMs with a public marketplace and a plugin SDK that lets you extend the agent's capabilities without touching the core. If you're locked into a paid agent platform like OpenClaw, this open source alternative gives you full control over your data and pipelines, and the active community and plugin ecosystem mean you can get started faster than building from scratch. Number 4, openship. 1,562 new stars today. openship replaces the fragmented toolchain of CI services, cloud paths, CDN, mail providers, and backup scripts with a single self-hosted binary that deploys and manages your entire application stack. It detects your project's language, builds containers, provisions databases, sets up SSL, and scales across nodes, all without writing YAML or configuring pipelines. The platform runs as a background service on any Linux server, giving you a desktop app, web dashboard, and CLI, so you can ship and monitor production-grade apps without ongoing vendor lock-in or per-project costs. Number 3, text-to-cad, 291 new stars today. This library equips AI agents with the ability to generate, edit, and export CAD models and robot descriptions from plain language prompts, bridging the gap between conversational interfaces and physical hardware design. It solves the real-world problem of programmatically creating production-ready CAD geometry without relying on expensive proprietary CAD software or complex, vendor-locked APIs. By packaging modular skills for CAD generation, part sourcing, and robot file creation that work with open-source kernels and standard interchange formats, it gives developers a composable foundation for building autonomous hardware design workflows. När 690 texting till fjordaren för sklams inte en dag where so bedbrennies. The scene can't wear den agnal even drakler on search, and our precious undoing slain vikander bar cam den creekouts. And I read to Carson to drive icons. Sorry went and repissing. Intiganets you. I-have-adhd is a skill for coding agents that eliminates verbose meandering responses by enforcing a strict output format. Action first, numbered steps, no pleasantries. It solves the real problem of AI assistants burying the answer in fluff, wasting time and cognitive load for developers who need direct, actionable instructions. The skill is technically interesting because it works as a lightweight prompt injection across multiple agent platforms, and you can install it with a single command to instantly transform verbose AI responses into concise, numbered steps. Number 1, worldmonitor, 1,095 new stars today. worldmonitor is an open-source, self-hosted global intelligence dashboard that aggregates news, geopolitical events, and infrastructure status into a unified interface, eliminating the need for expensive commercial monitoring platforms. It solves the real-world problem of building real-time situational awareness into applications, whether for security operations, financial analysis, or supply chain tracking, by providing a ready-made data pipeline and customizable dashboard that you can deploy and extend without vendor lock-in.